Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make kebab rice. Kebab rice is one of my favorite recipe, a fusion of two of the most favorite food, mutton kebab and rice. Together makes this awesome kebab rice. So let's see how I make it. Add 750 grams of boneless mutton in a pressure cooker. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 large chopped tomatoes, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and some finely chopped coriander leaves. Give this a very good mix. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon tandoori masala. Mix nicely. Now I am adding 1 glass of water. Close the lid and pressure cook till mutton becomes tender and dry. In a pan, add 2 tablespoon butter or ghee. Goes in whole spices like 1 cardamom, 2 cloves and 1 cinnamon. To this I am adding half teaspoon grated garlic or garlic paste and 1/4 teaspoon saffron. Stir well for few seconds. Now I am adding 1 large chopped onion. Fry this well till it becomes translucent. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt. And now I am adding 4.5 glass of mutton stock. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Close the lid. Bring it to boil. Now I am adding washed and soaked 3 cups of rice. Stir well. Close the lid. Cook till rice is completely cooked. Open the lid and check with the rice. It's completely cooked now. Keep this aside. Now check with the mutton. It's ready. To this I'm adding half cup of oil. Cook this for 5 minutes in a medium-high heat. Switch off the flame and keep this aside. Now start layering the rice in a pan. Add some cooked mutton kebabs on it and some finely chopped coriander leaves. Repeat the same process. Now finally pour some ghee or butter on top of the rice. Slow cook for 5 minutes. Interesting part of this dish is mixing the rice and mutton kebab. Mix it very gently. Serve hot with some chicken curry and enjoy. I encourage you to try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you. Don't forget to tag us on our Instagram page shimmies.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell icon. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.